So, what is a jicama? It's spelled J-I-C-A-M-A, and it's pronounced jicama, not jicama. It's a root, and it is a crunchy, really not super flavorful at all. Use it to make wraps for veggies, as we have done in another video. Oh, find one of the correct ones. Yeah, so, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a jicama wrap. We made it on a meat slicer. And we also thought that golden beets would be a nice thing. So what do you do with a jicama? How do you peel it? Well, it's just a root. First thing you want to do, just like most veggies, slice off an end, slice off the other end. We're going to peel it, and we want to remove the outside rind, because it is, when it comes to making wraps, so I don't know if you could see, but this one is a little darker on the outside, and that's that harder rind. It's much harder than the interior flesh. We want to remove that. So that's all we're going to do. We're just going to run our knife, so I don't know, about 1/8 of an inch to a 1/16 of an inch. Get all of that removed. And you can tell when it's removed because it's, it's darker. You want to get it all off. So then we're going to just take this. So what do we do with a jicama? Well, we did a video on how to make vegetable wraps with your jicama. And if you're making any kind of salad, you'd like a little crunch into it, do a fine chop, add it to your salad. I'm going to show you a real simple jicama fries. This one has a little bad spot. Let's get the bad spot out. Yeah, it'd be nice if I had a paring knife, right? And do this right. But, we make do. This is what we're doing. We're making do. How do you make do? That'd be a great video. Yeah, look at that. This one's got a bad spot. Look at that bad spot. Got the bad spots out. Just another good reason. Hey, always pick up an extra one, right? So, if you're going to make fries, basically, we're going to slice it about 1/4 of an inch. Actually, that's a little more. But as thick as you want your fries, give yourself that thickness. And then you just slice it the same thickness the other way. See there? Fries for dipping. Just that easy. Refreshing. Very refreshing. That really is good by itself. Be even better in some Kite Hill vegan cheese dip. See you next video. Bye.